What's going on, mechanics? Today I just went to mod pizza. Yeah, I got me a personal pan pizza. Stick around. So, yeah, today I went to mods. Mod pizza is kind of like, it has like the Chipotle feel, where you go in there, you tell them the toppings you want, and then they'll make you a pizza. You know what I'm saying? The pizza is very delicious. I believe they use the Daya cheese on top of it, the Daya cutting board cheese, because it melts pretty good. It tastes really good. My mouth is watering. But what I put on mine is black olives, some roasted Brussels sprouts, crushed red peppers, and mushrooms. So I'm gonna give it a shot. This is better than the last time.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
See, this is the first time I have the roasted Brussels sprouts, and they are pretty good. Damn, I'm screwing my table up. Yeah, the roasted Brussels sprouts are good. I never had that before. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe right now. Alright. When you go into mods, like I said, it's kind of like Chipotle. You walk in, you grab your, what do you grab? I mean, you tell them the type of crust you want. If you want the thick crust or you want the smaller crust. The thick crust is about $2 or $3 more. And then you tell them what type of sauce you want. I just go for the traditional red sauce. And then you get your cheeses, you get your broccoli or whatever. They have a whole bunch of different vegan options. No vegan meats or anything. You could always come home and add some of yourself. That would probably be pretty tasty. Alright. Let's talk veganuary. We're on day 11, which is so incredible. By now, you guys will transition in the beginning of the year. Your headaches are probably fading away. Your sugar rush or what have you, like any type of dependency, it should have faded away by now. Because I remember when I first transitioned, boy, my headache was killing me. By the way, I'm so sorry I haven't been able to get to your comments. I will go back and get to them. I've been extremely busy at work. I mean, work has been crazy busy. And then I get off, you know, I'm dealing with the wife, the kids, you know, it's a lot going on. But I force myself to make sure that I make time for you guys, since you guys are making time for this new lifestyle. And I'm not talking to just the people that just turned vegan, you know, the old vegans too. Y'all deserve the same love. So, by the way, let's just talk about one comment that stood out to me. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen, but let me read it out loud as well. It just stood out. It was pretty cool. I'll start reading a bunch of comments out loud like this during my video, so make sure you write a freaking comment. But this comment is from Portia. It says, meanwhile, my 11-month-old is sitting here and saying, because he wants the food. He's seen the food on the screen. I made him hungry. I'm so sorry. Here you go, Portia's baby. But I'm not gonna take too much of you guys' time tonight, because I also gotta get cooking. well, get up early to start cooking. Tomorrow I'm doing a pop-up. So if you're in Baltimore, if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you already know this. You already know this. But I am doing a food pop-up where I will be selling vegan meatballs, vegan mac and cheese, cabbage, yams, and it was one more thing. Collard greens, cabbage, yams, mac and cheese, and the vegan meatballs. That's everything. It's 5 different things. Okay, cool. Just wanted to make sure I got everything. So I'm doing that. I'll be at the Gallery About Nothing in Baltimore, Maryland. I hope to see you there. If not, I still hope to see you there. I will have some merchandise there too. So you might want to make your way there. So listen, I didn't even tell you. This is good. This is probably one of the better vegan pizzas I've had. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is probably one of the better ones I had. The only thing that would make it better, no, I'm sorry, I am so tripping because it's been so long. Johnny Rad's and Paulie G's in Baltimore, the best vegan pizzas I've had. Now, my pizza for close to my house, oh yeah, it's really good. Pie 5 Pizza also has a vegan option, and what's the other place? And Pizza also has vegan options. So, but for now, we're gonna wrap it up. Eat grass, not ass. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope we got a good laugh. I hope you subscribe. And I got more recipes coming. I got a whole bunch of stuff coming. Just watch. I'm about to drop the stovetop mac and cheese video. That's up next. All right, you guys ready for that? I love you. See you later.